The Check Trade Count block, located in the Controllers section in the left menu of our builder, is a fundamental tool for evaluating the state of trades within the strategy. It allows monitoring whether there are active trades or if their number satisfies certain conditions. This block offers two main options. No trade. This option indicates the absence of active trades or pending orders, and the choice can be made from this menu. If trade. This option allows specifying a count of trades and a comparison operator, more than, less than, equal, more or equal, less or equal, not equal, to evaluate if the number of trades meets a certain condition. Additionally, you can add other filters by clicking on Additional Filters. Here you can select a trade type between buy and sell, thus customizing the block based on the desired type of trade. For example, by activating the checkbox and selecting Buy, the block will respond true if there are no buy trades in progress, otherwise, it will respond false. The same principle applies to the symbol filter, which customizes the block based on a specific currency. Some practical examples of using the Check Trade Count block are setting the block to No Trade, connecting it to a Condition block, and then to a Sell block. Creates a strategy where a sell position is opened only when there are no active trades and the specified condition is met. Using the If Trade setting of the block, for example, if trade less than 5, the CBOT will open up to 4 trades when the specified condition is met, requiring the condition to be verified twice. In conclusion, the Check Trade Count block offers precise control over the number and type of trades within the strategy, allowing flexible and customized management of actions based on market conditions and user preferences.